Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about the Swiss Airlines Baggage Allowance. So let's get started. So first of all, when it comes to the carry-on baggage, economy class passengers are allowed one carry-on bag with a maximum dimension of 55 by 40 by 23 centimeters and a maximum weight of 8 kilograms. And for the business and the first class, they are allowed two carry-on bags with the same maximum dimensions as the economy class, but combined maximum weight of 16 kilograms. And in addition to the carry-on baggage, passengers are typically allowed to bring one personal item such as a handbag and a laptop bag or a briefcase on board. And basically, it could be depending on your ticket type and destination or any other circumstances. And when it comes to the exceeds oversized baggage, if your checked baggage exceeds the weight or piece limit allowed by the Swiss airline, you will likely get a charge with a fee, and the amount of fee may vary depending on the route and the fare type, and it's important to check with the Swiss airline or refer to their official website. And also for the oversized baggage that exceeded the maximum liner dimension, additional fees and restriction may apply. And when it comes to the sport equipments, the Swiss airline usually accepts sport equipments as part of your checked baggage allowance and is subject to certain conditions. So the specific allowance fees and the restrictions may vary depending on the type of the sport equipment and the fare type you have booked. And basically the common type of the sport equipment such as the skis, the snowboards, golf bags, and bicycles are typically accepted with applicable fees. And also the weight and the size restriction may vary, and it's important to check with the Swiss airline on their official website as well. And when it comes to the cabin beds, there is usually a maximum weight limit for the cabin beds, typically ranging from 6 kilograms to 8 kilograms, and you will basically need an IATA approved bed carrier that fits under the seat in front of you. And for larger beds or when the destination does not permit cabin transportation, Swiss airline usually accepts beds as a check-in baggage or a cargo, and basically additional fee will typically apply for transporting beds as a check-in baggage. So yeah, that was the video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.